Tag-uwi ng karangalan sa bansa ang Philippine National Handball Team na lumahok sa 10th Singapore Handball Open Tournament. Para bigyan ng mukha ang balita, Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho.
Umaariba na naman ang mga Pinoy sa larangan ng sports. Dahil nito lang huling linggo ng December, nang iuwi ng Philippine National Men's Handball Team ang bronze sa isang torneo abroad. Masaya ang naging holidays ng national team natin sa handball dahil nakapag-podium finish sila sa 10th Singapore Handball Open Tournament na ginanap nitong December 26 to 28 lang. At ang panalong ito, patunay lang ng paglaki ng handball sa bansa. 2012 lang kasi nang ma-develop ang programa.
Handball, it's a team sport. It's an Olympic sport. It's like football, okay, so or more closer is futsal. Instead of kicking the ball, you use your hands, okay, your arms to pass the ball around and try to score a goal.
Ayon pa kay Coach Joanna, with these wins, slowly but surely makikita ang development sa programa.
It's a really interesting sport.
Yep.
But of course, you have challenges like facilities. We try to make do with what we have.
Sa kabila niyan, kaliwat kanan pa rin ang achievements ng national team, both men's and women's.
So this year, it was our first ever for any handball team, maybe indoor or beach handball, to participate at the world level, at the world championships. For that, it's just an affirmation that we were on the right track and we were doing something right with the program.
Dagdag pa ni Rafael, the initial goal was to only gain experience from the tournament. 3 buwan lang kasi ang naging preparasyon ng koponan para rito. But the mindset that helped them clinch this win?
Pilipino tayo, lalaban tayo. Ganon na lang yung mindset namin.
Bonus man para sa kanila ang panalo, malaking tulong pa rin ito for the momentum they need in the upcoming SEA Games this year. And as they continue to bag more wins, hiling nila na mas lumaki rin ang komunidad ng handball players sa bansa.
Sobrang ganda kasi talaga ng nabuo na community ng handball. Though it's small, the aspiring handball players, just keep playing. Maliit pa yung community pero lalaki din tayo and nakikilala tayo. So don't stop.
Mobile Journal, Denise Valdesancho po. Hatid ang mukha ng balita.